Let's talk about line, the element of art that guides the eye and sets everything in motion. Line is one of the most fundamental elements of art. It's created when a point moves through space, a path from one position to another. Lines can define edges and outline shapes, suggest movement, or create texture and pattern. Lines come in many qualities: thick or thin, bold or delicate, smooth or jagged. Line weight refers to the thickness or thinness of a line. It helps to show the importance and individuality, guiding our eyes to notice which lines stand out or feel more important. Contour lines define the edges of forms and shapes, helping us understand structure. Gestural lines are loose, expressive marks that show the movement and emotion of the artist's hand, capturing a sense of rhythm and energy rather than precise detail. These qualities make lines such a powerful tool. It can shift the entire mood of a piece. Different kinds of lines also communicate different feelings. Strong horizontal lines can feel calm, stable, or grounded. Vertical lines can suggest strength, growth, or movement upward. Diagonal lines often feel dynamic, guiding the viewer's eye through a composition and creating a sense of action or tension. And now we can take all of that and look at how artists actually use these tools to guide the viewer through the piece. Leading lines are visual paths that guide the viewer's eye. Here, the walkway and railings lead our eye towards the back of the image, creating a focal point and depth. In perspective drawing, they help build the illusion of space as they converge towards 1, 2, or even 3 vanishing points. Not all lines are visible. Implied lines occur when our eyes naturally connect separate points or shapes, as in this artwork, where the evenly spaced knobs create the sense of invisible lines running across the surface, even though there are no actual lines drawn. When artists repeat lines side by side, they create hatching, which can add shading and texture to an artwork. When those lines cross each other, it's called cross-hatching, a technique that builds value and depth. Even curved lines can have meaning. A gentle flow of an S-curve, for example, is one of the most visually pleasing shapes to the human eye, leading the viewer gracefully through the artwork. In a single artwork, lines can move in many directions, like the vertical stripes of the shirt contrasting with the bold, angled patterns behind, working together to create a sense of rhythm, tension, and visual harmony. As you create works of art, look closely at the lines around you, in your materials, and in your composition. Ask yourself how you can use them to lead the eye, create texture, and bring life to your work. If you liked this breakdown of the elements of art, hit like and subscribe for more art insights and creative ideas.